This is my new bathroom remodeling. I can show you what's going on. This is the new shower here, as you can see. And what I want to show here is the toilet. As you can see, it's missing a paper holder. And I would like to actually really install here on this cabinet a paper holder. So that's what I want to show you, how to install a paper holder on this cabinet. And this is the paper holder. It's best value that I would like to install, and I want to show you what we have inside this container. So this is the box that I opened, and what I want to show here, there is a 4 screws with 4 anchors. Paper holder here. Okay. And this is a 2 handler here. So that's what this box contains. So you can say what is that. Here is the 4 screws and 4 anchors, paper holder, and the 2 handle for the paper holder. When you're installing a paper holder, it's recommended that the height of the paper holder will be 26 inches above the floor. So what I'm doing here, I'm actually measure a 26 inch from the floor, which is here. I already marked this point. Okay, I mark it with a pencil here. Okay, after I make the mark, I'm taking a level here and I make sure the level is actually horizontal. Okay, and then I mark a line with a pencil. Okay, so what I want to show you from a close distance, what I did until now. So if you look at it here, you can see there is a line here that I actually mark with pencil here. You can see it. It's exactly in the 26. And guess what? I already make a hole here. And I make another smaller hole here. Just as a reference. And what I want really to talk about here, you can see that these holes actually symmetric to this line. This is the 26-inch line above the floor. So now if I'm taking this handle, as you can see it's in my hand, this is the handle, it should be actually here. Okay, it's symmetric. So the center of this handle is exactly on 26 inch. So what I want to show you now, I'm actually going to drill here a hole and put the anchor inside. By the way, do not use a wood screw and screw what is called the wood, make a thread in the wood, because this wood is not very strong and for long term it will fall down and will destroy the wood. The best thing is to use anchor here. So just bear in mind, a lot of people actually just screw through the wood without using anchor. That is important if you want the paper holder to last for a long time. So we continue here. Remember, I already make one hole here and I put the anchor. So now I'm actually first drilling using a bit of maybe 1/16 or 1/8 of an inch as a pilot and start drilling in the wood. Okay, so I drilled the pilot and now I'm going to actually take a 3/8 of an inch bit, and with that one I will try to make the hole for the anchor. So first I use a 1/4 of an inch bit. If the 1/4 of an inch will not be enough, I'm going to increase it to 3/8 of an inch. Okay, we drill a hole and let's see if the anchor is going inside. Here I have the anchor in my hand. try to put it and hammer it. And you see it's difficult to go in, so I will have to take it out and increase the size of the bit with probably 3/8 of an inch. So here the other bit, which is 3/8 of an inch, and okay, I think that one is will be enough for the anchor. I'm taking this anchor and just put it in and knocking it inside. Yeah, perfect 2 screws. Here now we have 2 anchors inside the hole. I want to show from close proximity how does it look. So as you can see, that's the way it looks from here or from here. These anchors have to be flat with the wood. So if I'm going to measure this paper holder, I will reach to this paper holder is exactly 6¼ inch. That's the standard. So what I have to do there, I have to make the distance between the holder a little bit less than 6¼ inch, and I will take it like 5¾ between the holes. So if you look here on the wood here, or in the cabinet, you can see the 2 holes already drilled. So here is the line that I draw with a pencil. You can see it now, the line with pencil here. So this line is actually an horizontal line going from here, and here is the point that 5¾ inch, the distance between here to here. Some people are actually using 6¼ exactly, and you know, I think it's 5¾ it's okay for me. I feel confidence with that it will sit there properly. So let's start drilling. So the first thing, I'm drilling a pilot where I actually mark it, which is here. So the pilot, I'm using a bit which is a 1/16 of an inch here. Okay, just a pilot. Finish it. So now I'm taking this 3/8 bit and I'm actually going through the pilot. Pushing the anchor in and with the hammer until the end. So far what we have here, we have a 3 anchor, and what I did now, I actually draw a line horizontally from this point, and you can see the line going here, and then I draw a line from here vertically and I reach to this point and I mark this point here. So now what I want to do, I want to actually go and drill a pilot and a hole and a anchor and complete the work. So first we drill the pilot. Okay, and the second thing, and this is the 3/8 of an inch. Remember, you put the drill perpendicular to the wood. Using the anchor pushing it in. So now we have here 4 ankle. This is the final result of these 4 holes. As you can see the line, I'm going to actually clear the line with a sponge. That is a pencil line. That's the way it looks after I clean or deleted the lines here. And I'm going to put the handles. Okay, so I have to take this handle. As you can see, this handle have 2 screws to put. Using an extension here. So that's what we did so far, and now if I will take the paper and just push it here and push it from here, that's it. So if I want to put a paper towel here, that is the paper towel, you can see that is the paper towel. Let me put it here and see how it's look like. And that's the paper render with the paper towel here. That's the way it looks from here.